Welcome back, everybody. This is Heather with OP Nutrition, and today we're going to make grilled pork chops. And to start this recipe, we need to make our marinade. So for our marinade, we need soy sauce, some lemon juice, and brown sugar. So the first thing we're going to measure out is the soy sauce. We need a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, and that's it. Now we're just gonna mix it up, stir it all together. I have my assistant here, my daughter. She's gonna help me stir up the marinade and mix it all together while I go grab the pork chops. So we're gonna save just 1/3 cup of this marinade for basting later. And we're gonna dump the rest on top of our pork chops and let them marinate until dinner time. The grill's hot. We're gonna put on the pork chops.